everybody, welcome back to another video. It is currently Friday evening, just got home from work, and tomorrow OSW is holding an all-day 12-hour drift event, and we have the E30 tuned well enough. I think it's time to go down there and see what she can do on track. So we're gonna go ahead and load the E30 up into my trailer. For those of you who have not seen, this is my enclosed trailer. It's a 20-foot, built it a couple years ago to haul the E30 to the track. And I got it set up with air throughout the entire thing, inside and out, lights inside and out, coin flooring, E-track system on the ground. I have shoring beams to mount my tires. And we have custom fuse panel, winch, all kinds of fancy stuff. So it's everything that I need or will need at the track. It's done awesome over the last couple of years. I love it. So I won't say anymore. Let's go ahead and get the E30 loaded up. All right, so the E30 is loaded up into the trailer. I'm gonna go ahead and get it strapped down to the floor, and then I'm gonna grab a few tools in my jack out of the garage and a couple fuel jugs, and we'll head to the gas station and get some ethanol. All right, everybody, good morning. It is Saturday. It's gonna be a beautiful day today in Florida. Gonna be about 80 degrees. We got everything loaded up, so let's go ahead and hit the road. Alright guys, so we made it to OSW. We just went through tech and we're just kind of waiting for the driver's meeting. Car's all good to go. I'm gonna be struggling on the grip situation. I have all these tires from my previous setup when I was NA, and I can't stomach just doing nothing with them. So today's just gonna be a smoke show. I'm just gonna roast through these skinny little tires just to have them done, and then we'll deal with grip on another day. But we're just here to have some fun and feel the E30 out, see what she can do. All right guys, so we're in line right now to go on the oval at OSW. My plan is just to go out to the center, do some figure eights, take some logs, and just come back and make sure it's all safe before I start really beating on it. So the car rips, all the logs look good, AFRs are fantastic, this thing's good to go. I definitely need to change my rear tire setup. I need to get rid of the camber that I have and just do a whole different compound. So we'll work on that in the future. As for today though, we're just gonna run all these little skinny tires and just send it. All right, guys, so it is the next day, and damn it if this car did not perform flawlessly yesterday. We didn't have a single hiccup at all, no issues, just like before it was turboed. We just drove the car all day, and it just was fantastic. So like I already stated, we do have to figure out our grip situation. I already have a plan for that. We're gonna get some wider tires. We're gonna get rid of the camber that we have with the E30. I do have a spare subframe up here and some tabs from Garagistic that we're going to weld on. So that'll be in a video soon, but I just can't get over how amazing yesterday went. So hopefully we stay in this trend of just driving the crap out of the car. This is the main reason I've waited this many years to boost the cars, because I didn't want to sacrifice any seat time and have to do a bunch of maintenance, which obviously there's going to be more than before. But if yesterday was any indication of how this is going to go, then I am super excited for this season. So like always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.